Hey guys, my name is Direction and I'm a future pilot, and so I hope this video helps you to start up your cessna172 SP in Xplane 10. So first of all, you need to close your doors, master switch on, fuel pump on, park points on, navigation is on, stop lights if you need you can on, otherwise you don't need it. Make sure full rich, flaps 40% down, fuel sector both, trim nose middle, and car range of fuel, doors closed, flaps down, everything clear. And now you need to take a clearance from 8 easy 4 ml Charlie Victor regarding to startup engine from 16 left, and after that they will repeat that, and after you got your clearance now you can start your engine up, drop clear.